Hey guys, Richard, NorthStar Industries, doing a demonstration. Just unboxed this NorthStar proven performance soft wash system. Anyway, gonna see, I got it all hooked up. Let's see how far it shoots. That's basically the basis of this. Let me see. Oh. Well, I'd say it's got to be a good 15 feet. Let me see if I could pace it off. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 17. Yeah, I guess it's a good 17, 18 feet. I'll try that's the short range fan tip. Let's try the long spray one. We'll see what that is. Hold on. There's the distance spray. Let's see. Let's hope. Ah. Alright. Can't quite. Let me see if I can get a wet spot. Oh, there we go. Alright. Let's see. My feet are roughly a foot. I've measured them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 21, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Well, that's an honest to goodness 32 feet. I really didn't think it would spray that far. Pretty good 12-volt electric system, and I'm going to be doing my first roof wash with it tomorrow. I'll have to update you, let you know how it goes. Anyway, NorthStar proven performance soft wash. If I can, I'll upload a link. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.